My name is Mark Ruane. I live in Wendell, North Carolina. I attended a dental seminar in Florida a number of years ago, and the featured speaker was Dr. Agarwal. And after I listened to him speak, and I had some dental problems and issues that were going on, I told myself if I ever got the opportunity, this was going to be the guy that did my dental work. I had upper and a lower partial, and they fit well, but they never really fit quite right. And it was just, it was difficult to deal with. You had different things you had to do in the morning and at night. And, you know, they would slip, and just, they weren't as good looking. Nothing's as good looking as the teeth I have right now. It got started, I came in for a consultation. Middle of the week in August sometime last year, and we flew out to San Francisco, and he did it in a room with probably 150, 175 people, and they watched the whole thing from beginning to end. Flew home. I was back here 2 days later and had a doctor's appointment with Dr. Agarwal, and he said everything was going better than he could have imagined. And he asked me if I'd be interested if they went to Las Vegas and did it, if I'd do it again. Bigger crowd, bigger place. And I said, yeah, let's do it. So sure enough, 2 weeks later, he called me up and said, yeah, we're on, we're gonna do this. And flew out. He did it on a Thursday afternoon in a dental office there. It was live streamed to the dental meeting. And from there, I went back to the hotel, rested up the rest of that day, kept ice on it and everything, and did what I was supposed to do, rested, relaxed. Woke up the next morning, felt 100%, went down to the meeting, and I can honestly tell you, we amazed some doctors at that conference, because they couldn't believe, first of all, that I was not only up moving around, I was in no pain. And there was no real bad swelling, no bruising. It was perfect. Dr. Agarwal is so caring, so nice, so gentle. I mean, everything, him, the staff, everybody, that's all they are concerned of, that you're getting done what you need done, and that you're not in a lot of pain, and that you feel good about what you're doing. I feel great about what I did, and I would suggest to anybody, if they have any qualms, I'll talk to them. This was not a very hurtful surgery. It was very, I would almost say, pain-free. Probably the worst part of it was when I got the shots to numb it up.